We decided that we really needed some adult space and some kids space in our house, and we needed a lot more living space. After we visited some friends who'd had one completed recently by conservatory land, looking at the quality of the work, it was kind of a no-brainer to go with them. Conservatory land were a really pleasant company to deal with. I never felt like I had the hard sell. We checked out their website and we found the conservatory builder really easy to use. We moved things around with a config every now and again. It was no trouble for them. They just wanted it to be perfect for us before we went and laid down any money. So it was a brilliant experience. I wanted to ensure that the work that was completed was to a good standard under warranty as well from conservatory land, and so I wanted to go with an approved installer. Guys came in and they were really friendly towards the family. They put tons of material down to protect our house from all of the walking in and out of different materials, and they did the job really quickly as well. It was practically done in 2 days, but they did some finishing touches for us. Getting it done by someone else gives me reassurance as well, and there won't be any leaks or anything like that. It was fantastic once it was completed. We had to pinch ourselves to see just how much space we had. Sometimes we'll hang out there ourselves and watch TV, and it's not really nice glass ceiling, so you're kind of outside under the stars as you're watching TV. We consider ourselves very lucky that we've got a conservatory. All the way from buying the conservatory, adjusting the design, and then actually having the installers around. Everything was really pleasant and professional. I'd definitely recommend conservatory land.